Hi, I'm Rich Christian from Awesome Chevrolet in Chehalis, and the question of the day is, when should I use 4-low or 4-high for my four-wheel drive system? Four-wheel drive system is going to be located on the dash. It's in two-wheel drive, which will give you a limited slip transmission and give you the utmost traction. The better mode is going to shift it to auto, which moves it to a two-wheel drive, any two tires, either front or back, going up, down, in slick conditions or muddy conditions. Now, in the event that I need to shift this thing into four-wheel drive, that locks all four of my wheels in, so I have a constant four-wheel drive. And you'll notice when it's in auto and 4-high, when you turn sharp, the front tires will skip because it's pulling a little bit more because you're out of track, which is a common thing to happen. Now, in the event of that we are in a steep situation, in a hard pull or a tug, let's say you're taking a boat out of an off-ramp, so you want to shift this down into 4-low. And when you put it in 4-low, it's going to give you a really enormous amount of torque, and it's going to make the towing feel like you're going to pull the truck in half, but it won't. It actually is a great system, and hope to answer some more of your questions soon. Thanks again.